Every customer who owns a truck or SUV has a different way of using their vehicle. Some spend most of their time driving on pavement. Others spend time on dirt roads, job sites, or trails. And the moment they come to your shop for new tires, you have a key decision to help them with. Do they need highway terrain or an all-terrain tire? Understanding what separates the two categories is the first step to matching the right tire to the right driver. Let's break it down. Truck and SUV tires exist on a spectrum. On one end, you have highway terrain tires designed for smooth, quiet, pavement-focused driving. On the other end, aggressive all-terrain patterns are built for dirt, gravel, and uneven surfaces. AT tires use larger tread blocks, deeper tread depths, and off-shoulder design elements that deliver traction off-road. But those same features can add noise and reduce ride comfort compared to HT options. HT tires, meanwhile, look and behave more like beefed-up touring tires. Their tread patterns are tighter and quieter, and they're engineered to give drivers a more refined on-road experience. That makes them ideal for daily commuters, light-duty work trucks, or anyone who spends the majority of their time on pavement. But the differences don't stop at design. Some AT tires lean toward HT characteristics for better manners on the road, especially original equipment fitments that must meet strict noise and rolling resistance targets. Others lean toward rugged terrain behavior with deeper tread and louder patterns. Understanding where a tire falls on that scale helps you guide the customers to the right choice. Today's AT segment generally also features the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol. For many customers, that's a major selling point. Appearance matters too. The aggressive look of an AT tire is often a big reason customers choose them over an HT. Drivers customizing their trucks or SUVs or moving to a larger size typically drift towards AT products for that visual upgrade. To ensure you have every option to fit these customer needs, tire dealers like you should have options across the entire spectrum. AT tires must balance off-road capability with reasonable on-road manners. HT tires should focus on quiet, confident highway performance. Together, these two categories make up the majority of the market, which is split roughly between 60% HT and 40% AT. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.